Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another PC tutorial video in my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 lagging and slow problem. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, click your start button here and click that, and here you can see the setting option. Just click that setting option and this window will pop up, and here you can find the option privacy. Just click that option. Now all you have to do is turn off some settings in there, and on your left side you can see the general option. Click that option. Here turn off this, and all of this turn off. And now go speech linking and typing, just turn this off. And now go to diagnostic and feedback, just turn off this as well. And now go to your location, turn off this one. Go to your camera, turn off this one. And you don't have to turn anything off in microphone, because otherwise your microphone won't work. Go to your notification, turn off account info, turn off contacts, turn off calendars, just turn this off as well. Call setting, turn this off. Email, turn this off. Tasks, turn off this one as well. Messaging, turn off this one. Radios, turn off this one. Other device background application, turn this off. App diagnostic, turn this off. Now go to documents, also turn this off. Pictures, turn off this one as well. Videos, and turn off this one as well. File system, and turn off this one. After all this, all you have to do is just restart your PC, and I think your problem will be solved and your Windows 10 will run smoother. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps. If this video helps, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.